How to get a flat stomach in 21 days. How soon can you lose your belly fat and finally have that sexy stomach you have dreamed about? Could you say months, days, never? Well, it depends. In this video, you will learn how you can lose weight and flatten your stomach in a few short weeks. Watch the entire video to learn all the steps and what you must do to achieve your goal. Getting rid of a bulging midsection is not an easy feat, but if you commit to the task, there is a way to accomplish your goal within just a few weeks. All it takes is some dedication to a belly-shrinking diet and a regular core-intensive workout. If you are up to the challenge, here is how to get a flat stomach in 21 days. Belly-shrinking diet. To flatten your stomach, you need to support muscle growth and lose belly fat. The best way to achieve that is to consume a lot of protein and cut your sugar consumption. Eating more protein is the best way to support the abdominal muscle growth you need to flatten your belly. According to a study led by researchers from the Netherlands Maastricht University, a high-protein diet increases satiety and leads to the consumption of fewer calories overall. It also helps burn fat and boost your metabolism. To complement your high-protein diet, you must cut down on all added sugars. Doing so will help you consume fewer calories and minimize the accumulation of fat around your midsection. According to an in-depth article featured by Nutrition Action in 2012, several studies have established the connection between sugar consumption and belly size. Avoiding added sugars will help you lose weight and help you reduce your risk of obesity and diabetes. Core-intensive workout. While a proper diet will help you lose fat around your midsection, developing your abdominal muscles will significantly impact your goal to have a flat stomach. Going to the gym is good and fabulous, but there is no need to go to the gym or follow a complicated workout to achieve your goal. All you need to do is commit to doing these core exercises daily. VUps. Lie on your back with your arms stretched up over your head and your legs straight out below. Simultaneously, swing your arms and legs to meet at the middle. Make sure to keep them straightened out while harnessing power from your abdomen. Lower your arms and legs back down to your original position. Start by doing 5 VUps and add 1 rep per day. At the end of 15 days, you should already be doing at least 25 VUps per workout. Scissor kicks. Lie on a mat with your arms at your sides and your palms facing down and tucked below your hips. Raise your legs so your feet are around a foot from the floor. Keep your upper body steady as you lower one leg slightly so you can crisscross at the center. Switch it up so your other leg is on top and repeat the same scissor-like motion. Keep alternating between the 2 legs until you have completed the exercise. Start by doing 15 scissor kicks and then add 1 additional rep per day. As you approach 3 weeks, you should be doing at least 35 scissor kicks per workout. High plank. Go on all fours with your arms outstretched right below your shoulders and your palms facing down on the mat. Hold yourself up with your toes on the mat and about hip-width apart. Hold this high plank position until your timer runs out. Make sure you keep your body stiff so that your butt does not sag down. Start by holding your plank for 20 seconds. Each day, hold your plank for an additional 5 seconds. At the end of 21 days, you should be holding your plank for at least 2 minutes. By following this diet and exercise regimen, you have the best chance at achieving your fitness goals in just 21 days. The best part is that making a habit of eating healthy and strengthening your core will lead to an improvement in your overall health. Consequently, you will not just enjoy a flatter stomach, but also a healthier and more energetic you. Following our study references we used to create this video so you can do your own research. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends And please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.